Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, let us see in the live market about Bank Nifty. Already our trading got over. So once we booked the profit, we are showing the live trading session now. So you all know how to add the indicator from our invite only mode. So now go to this place. After logging to your tradingview.com using your username and password, go here. So then select invite only scripts. So here you will be getting our list of indicators whichever you have subscribed for. Just give a one click on it, then automatically that indicator will be added to this portion. So after that, what you have to do, come at the bottom left side and give reset settings. So before you start trading for the day, you have to give reset settings. That's all, nothing else you have to do. Now assume that market has been started. So now we know in advance that if the market is coming to 43,111, we will be buying 43,100 call option or 43,200 call option or 43,300 call option. So whichever you want, that you can take. If market is going first to 43,423, then we will be buying 43,400 call put option or 43,300 put option or 43,200 put option or 43,100 put option, depending upon your capital and depending upon the investment you risked for the trade, then you can take the accordingly. So now here let us see what happened. So when the market is coming down to 43,000, yeah, now it is got activated. So I'm waiting for the, so our entry got activated at 43,132. So we got the profit of 167.80, percentage of success 100%. So it is a new option have been added in the trading view. So now once the market buy or sell is activated, go here to the indicator settings and enable first buy entry, first buy SL, first buy target, and you can remove all other things. So now if you are a small trader, you can keep very tiny SL and target also very tiny targets. See, perfectly all our three targets have been hit. So if you want to keep tiny SL and tiny target, that also you can keep, it is up to you. So now as per the indicator tool, three targets we are giving by default. So if you want to extend the target, then you can go for the fourth target also. See the perfection, the low made was 43,110 and our entry was 43,111. Perfectly we got the entry. So this is how we have to trade. So let me check for the Bank Nifty feature also what has happened. In the Bank Nifty feature, we missed the buy entry. See here, we missed the buy entry. Whereas in the Nifty index, we got the perfect entry. So you have to keep an eye on both the side. You have to keep an eye on both the side. So very simple. It is very simple to use this indicator, and we also teaching you some other price action method along with this indicator so that you will never lose in this market. Thank you. And as per as per the instruction given by the NSE, we are supposed to say this. We are not SEBI registered, and this video is only for the educational purpose. We take no responsibility for your profit or loss. So before you put your live money, please consult your financial advisor. Thank you all. And whoever wants to subscribe to our indicator, we are giving at very cheap price. If you want, you can try it. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.